Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, skip breakfast, and suddenly your body begins tapping into a hidden survival superpower. Without you lifting a finger, your system starts repairing damaged cells, burning fat for clean energy, and even creating new brain cells. Sounds almost magical, right? But this isn't science fiction. It's the incredible science of fasting. Today, we're diving into what really happens inside your body when you fast hour by hour and why this ancient survival mechanism might be the most powerful health tool you're not using enough. For most of human history, food wasn't always available. Our ancestors often went hours, even days, without eating. Because of this, our bodies evolved powerful backup systems to keep us sharp, strong, and energized during times of scarcity. The problem: modern life looks nothing like that. Today, many people eat every few hours: breakfast, snacks, lunch, dinner, late-night bites. Our bodies haven't had time to adapt to this constant intake. And that's where fasting comes in. By creating periods of rest from food, we reactivate ancient processes that modern eating habits have silenced. In this video, we will be looking at different hours of fasting and what our body is gaining from it. Hour 12. The growth hormone. Around the 12-hour mark, something remarkable happens. Growth hormone levels begin to spike. This hormone is often called the anti-aging hormone. Why? Because it plays a critical role in fat burning, healing joints, and building lean muscle. Some people pay thousands of dollars for synthetic injections, but fasting triggers it naturally. Pair fasting with light exercise, and your growth hormone boost becomes even stronger. The cleanup crew, autophagy. By about 18 hours, your body activates a process called autophagy. Think of this as your internal recycling program. Old, damaged, or sticky proteins like those that can clog your cells or contribute to Alzheimer's disease are broken down and reused as fresh building blocks. This means that fasting doesn't just stop damage, it actually helps reverse it. It's like pressing the reset button on your cells, clearing out the junk so your body can function better. Switching to superfuel, ketones. At the 24-hour mark, your body begins to run low on its stored form of glucose, called glycogen. When glycogen is depleted, the liver shifts gears and starts producing ketones from fat. Ketones aren't just fuel, they're a cleaner, more efficient energy source than glucose. They suppress hunger, sharpen brain function, and even protect your body with antioxidant power. Many people notice that at this stage, cravings disappear, energy stabilizes, and thinking becomes clearer. Hour 24 and beyond. Deep healing. Once the body is in ketosis, several healing processes accelerate. Reduced inflammation. Conditions linked to chronic inflammation, such as arthritis and autoimmune disorders, often improve. Gut healing. With no constant digestion, your gut gets time to rest, repair, and regenerate healthy lining. Even conditions like SIBO begin to correct. Brain boost. Fasting increases levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the growth of new brain cells and stronger neural connections. Heart health. The heart thrives on ketones, improving cardiovascular efficiency. Hour 48. Stem cell activation. Push your fast to around 48 hours, and stem cells, the blank cells in your body that can become anything from muscle to immune cells, start to activate. This supercharges healing, accelerates tissue repair, and strengthens your immune system. Some studies even show that prolonged fasting reduces cancer risks by shrinking certain tumor growths and making chemotherapy more effective, since the body becomes more resilient under stress. Hour 72. Maximum regeneration by 72 hours, stem cell activity is in full swing, your immune system is stronger, and your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, are multiplying. However, this length of fasting should be approached with care. For most people, sticking to intermittent fasting and only occasionally doing prolonged fasts is safer and more sustainable. How to apply this safely? If you're new to fasting, don't jump straight into a 72-hour fast. Start with intermittent fasting. Fast for 16 to 18 hours each day. Eat within a 6 to 8 hour window. This approach still activates fat burning, lowers inflammation, and boosts growth hormone. Over time, you can experiment with slightly longer fasts if your health allows. Also, don't neglect electrolytes and minerals. A simple water fast is fine, but adding essential salts, B vitamins, or magnesium helps prevent dizziness or fatigue. And always consult with a healthcare provider if you have medical conditions. Fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about allowing your body to do what it was designed to do: heal, renew, and thrive. From repairing brain cells to lowering inflammation and activating stem cells, fasting can be a reset button for your health. The truth is, your body already holds incredible healing power. You just need to give it the chance to work. Instead of constantly feeding and overworking your system, try creating intentional windows of fasting. Start small. Try a simple 16-8 intermittent fasting routine this week. Notice how your energy, focus, and digestion respond. Then, as your body adapts, consider experimenting with longer fasts for even deeper benefits. Your body is a remarkable machine. Fasting simply gives it the opportunity to shine.